Hello everyone, I'm Spandana. Today I'm going to talk about the company Maruti Suzuki India Limited. Content of this PPT: name of company and product, production strategy, plant location type, inventory controlling technique, material requirement planning, work study techniques, total quality management, supply chain management. Maruti Suzuki India Limited. It was established as Maruti Udyog Limited in 1981. The first production commenced in 1983, Gurgaon, India. On 17 September 2001, it renamed as Maruti Suzuki India Limited. It is the subsidiary company of Suzuki Motor Corporation, which is owned by Japan. And it has the most shares of Maruti Suzuki India Limited, and Indian government also holds some of the shares of Maruti Suzuki India Limited. There are several product line in Maruti Suzuki like Alto 800, Alto K10, Wagoner, Celerio, Stingray, Ritz, Swift, Desire, Ertiga, Omni, Eco, Gypsy, Grand Vitara, Ciaz, and Maruti Suzuki is the highest market holder in selling of cars in India, and it almost occupies more than 40% share in market. All of these product line are basically Indian favorites. It gives more mileages, so the product line has been really grateful in Maruti Suzuki. There are several production strategies in Maruti Suzuki India Limited. Like, there are capabilities, they have to have capabilities to produce and to maintain the company, and core competencies. They are giving great competition to their competitors, and they are surviving in the market, and they are leading their market. Their capacity addition, they are adding the capacity to their own company, and launching more and more new models of cars, and introducing the new model to market, and they are giving more marketing to their cars and more advertisement to their cars, to market their cars and to sell the cars. Plant location type, they have choose the best location for their plant because the plant has been surrounded in several kilometers. It is very good for raw materials availability, and labor availability also is good there, and there are the most important is raw materials and labor availability, and the market availability is also good surrounding in Gurgaon and Manesar. And power and water are most basic important to produce anything, so it covered the power and water facilities also. Transportation, to sell cars all over the India, transportation is much more important from that city where the plant is located, so it is really helpful for transportation. Government policy, Indian government policy also helps to this plant to locate there. Inventory control techniques, Maruti Suzuki maintaining inventory control techniques to do good business. They are increasing speed of operation. There is necessary of increasing speed of operations, like they have to deliver in a right time, they have to produce in a right time, they have to be good at speeding up their operations. Increase accuracy of data, they have to give more data and increase the data, it should be detailed. Reduce processing time, the process time to produce to deliver, they have to reduce that and minimize the time. vendor management. They are managing their vendor goodly, and they are taking raw materials from surrounding 100 kilometers. They have 299 vendors. And localization, they have to keep it locally to everything, and to take raw materials locally, and to sell the cars locally also. Increase proportion of the indigenous products, they are increasing the products in nation, in domestically also. Material requirement planning, there are several materials requirement for producing the cars for the plant. Selection of vendors, they have to select some vendors, from there where they have to take raw materials and some required materials. Development of components, they have to develop some components to adopt. Trial production, they have to trial the production firstly before starting the production, to know what's wrong, what's right, to correct them. Initial supply control, they have to control the supply, initial supply. They don't have to rush to supply, because they have to see how market goes, and after that they have to keep supply going. Packing requirement, they have to look at how packing requirement is available, and how they have to do the packing requirement according to consumer satisfaction. Quality performance, quality performance is always has to be there, because quality has to be there in cars, and there are a lot of people who sees quality, and car basically where people travel, so they have to be quality there to safeguard the passengers, so they are also concentrating on quality performance. Work study, we are going to talk about the work study of Maruti Suzuki India Limited. In work study, there is method study, work measurement means time study, higher productivity. Method study, to simplify job and develop more economical method doing work. So they have to simplify the job and do it in more economically, it will be better to the company and also to the workers. Time study, to determine the standard time for doing an operation, they have to set the time, what time they should start and what time they should end, and what time they should take to do a particular work. Higher productivity, it leads to higher productivity. In work study, they will give job satisfaction to the employees, and they will know about the employees mind. It also leads to the higher productivity. Total quality management, the quality management is very necessary for every company, because every consumer or customer wants the product to be good. If the product is good and there is a good quality in product, they will be really satisfied, and they will go to buy that next also. Kaizen means improvement in Japanese words, so they adopted the Kaizen word. Constant efforts to increase the productivity, they are making constant efforts to increase their productivity and give best to the Indian market. Teamwork, teamwork is important in every company and every business field, so they are using the teamwork. And use of IT, the IT technology is everywhere and it is necessary in every field. So IT, they are using IT to modify their cars and technologies. Customer orientation, when they are producing some goods or anything, they have to think customer satisfaction. If they are satisfied, that means they are growing. They have to think according to customer thoughts, so customer orientation is very important. Integrity is very important to a company, they have to work wholeheartedly and don't cheat anybody, and every worker should cooperate with each other and work. Continuous improvement, there should be continuous improvement in everything. then only they can survive in market, so they are concentrating on that also. These are the total quality management of Maruti Suzuki India Limited. Supply chain management. Supply chain means the company works jointly with its suppliers to develop new products, achieve high and reduce cost. Such a supply chain is very important for every company, where they produce, they take to market and they sell to customer. So the typical chain management means upstream suppliers. The main suppliers are the producers. After that, it goes to suppliers and to your company. After that, distribution channels. After that, it reaches to the customers. There are also online platforms to do this. This is the supply chain management of Maruti Suzuki India Limited. Thank you.